Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in today's video, we're going to be styling some tier trays, so come on with me guys. So this is a tier tray that I thrifted from the Goodwill, and it looks really farmhousey. I'm going to go ahead and style this for you 3 different ways. I'm really excited about it. Isn't that beautiful? Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. Now the first styling I'm going to do all in a black tone. Now this video is part of a collaboration called the Summertime Tier Tray Collaboration. And we have quite a bit of hosts, so let me get started. We have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, the Creole Crafter, IB Doll, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Sasu Glam Style, Joyful Decor by Denise, and May's Design Corner. Now, it's never too late for you to join, and even if your video is running late, make sure and use the hashtag TierTray24. Now this hashtag will help me to search for your video and add it to the playlist. So I'm going to leave you with a little bit of music as we finish styling number 1. Okay, I think this one came out beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so let's head on over to styling number 2. So I'm loving the summertime feel of this and the blues. So let's head on over to the reveal. Now I'm loving the way this one came out. Let's move on over to styling number 3, and that one I'm calling the white tray. Okay, so I think between the greenery and the color white, this came out beautiful. So let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so I think the 3 stylings came out exactly the way I wanted them to, and I hope that you like them. They came out beautiful. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. I hope you enjoyed the collaboration. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank all of the hosts and all of the participants who joined me in this collaboration. God bless you.